Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of this channel.
So right now we'll be talking about DJ NASA MV2. In this board, so DJ, I think all of them will be aware of it because DJ is like it's killing all other market in the world. So it's very stable in the quadcopters or multirotors. They are providing a GPS ATI mode and GPS mode and even simple mode, and as well as many other modes, which is very much easy to fly a system in this. So I will explain in this. In this board we can connect up to only M6, and next F1 F2 is for gimbal control, and this side A means aileron, E means elevator, T means throttle, R means rudder, U means flight modes, X1 X2 is another aux pins, or we can say as some of the we can just configure it and we can make you fly it. So when we go for a calibration thing, when we install this thing in our any of our drones, just will show it up the configuration file, how to configure or how to upload a firmware into this. Like everything will be explained during the video, and this will be like all of the flight control will be have a separate series, and like how to install and how to configure A to Z will be taken care. So just stay tuned and watch each and every videos and support us. That's what I just want to say in middle of the video, because if you support, it will be more encouraging me to the doing lot many videos to you guys, and you will also learn. So next thing is, again, this is the NASA flight controller. So in this NASA flight controller, same, there is no any difference. But if you feel like there's some difference between MV2 and M Lite, uh, like I don't see any type of difference in stability wise, or else in any other configuration things, it's almost same. That's what I want to keep it as a in single video in this DJ NASA M Lite and as well as MV2.
To be continued, stay tuned. Please subscribe to this channel. Press the bell icon.